Even though I do not pay for the product today, this is not a sponsored video. This is still based on my own thoughts and opinions and my first impressions using, and I obviously said yes because we wouldn't be making this video. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden. We're not going to dilly-dally, we're going to dive straight in. We're taking a look at some more tech today. We've had a little break, we returned to our roots last week, but it's time to dip our toes back into some technology. Even though I do not pay for the product today, this is not a sponsored video. This is still based on my own thoughts and opinions and my first impressions using the product. The guys over at SoundPeats reached out to me via my business email and asked if I would be interested in trying out their Capsule3 Pro earbuds. And I obviously said yes because we wouldn't be making this video. I have the website open here and I will link it down below, and they have set up a discount code if you are interested in checking them out yourself. They are pretty inexpensive. We're hoping that they're quality as well as inexpensive. These do retail for $89.99 Australian dollars, and I will do the conversion. It says on here on the website, the Capsule3 Pro Plus XMEMS speaker AI adaptive ANC wireless earbuds. It's a new arrival, has high sound quality, XMEMS speaker and 12mm dynamic driver. It's high-res certified with LDAC, AI adaptive noise cancellation and triple mic, extended battery life and low latency, elegant design and comfortable fit. And to dive a little deeper into that, the XMEMS micro speaker delivers exceptional audio with a silicone membrane that's 95 times harder and 4 times faster than plastic. I'm not sure what that means. The high-res certified LDAC supported, the earbuds transmit nearly 3 times the data of SBC, offering almost lossless audio quality for detailed and dynamic sound. If that is the case, sign me up. The AI adaptive noise cancelling reduces noise by up to 45 decibels, adjusting in real time for optimal comfort. Triple mic technology ensures clear voice calls. It has a refined in-ear design and ergonomic comfort, and a long battery life and low latency, up to 6.5 hours of playback, extended to 43 hours with the case. Ultra low latency at 70 ms ensures synchronized audio, perfect for gaming. From the point of giving my postal information to receiving the package, it did take a while. It took around 4 weeks for it to come in hand, but obviously I have it now. Opening up our box, we have a packing slip and then the product itself. I like the look of the case. It looks like your standard earbuds. It just comes straight out of its case. I do like the packaging. It actually looks quite sleek. It's minimal, but I think that's elegant in a way. That just opens up. It kind of looks like a giant ring box. We have the capsule on the inside and then the manual. Now we are going to have a look at the manual because I always seem to skip that step and then I circle back. I'm assuming in here is also the charging cable, and it looks as though it is. We have your standard USB. I like that it comes in its own little pouch. The user guide in multiple languages. It's really cute. Some panda stickers, in case you're into that. And there is something else in here. Oh, changeable earbud pieces. Looks like there is 2 sets in here. Obviously it is Bluetooth adaptable. There is an exclusive SoundPeats app called SoundPeats Audio from the App Store. You can get it on Google Play and the Apple App Store. There's only 2 steps in the first time using. Number 1 is keep the earphones in the charging case, open the charging case lid to turn them on automatically, close the charging case lid to turn them off automatically. 2, after the earphones are turned on, search and select the name of the Bluetooth device on your phone to connect the Capsule3 Pro successfully. That's interesting. This little graph in the center here, it has a bunch of taps to operate the earbuds. To decrease the volume is 1 tap on the left earbud. To increase, 1 tap on the right. To answer or hang up or pause a call or pause music, it is 2 taps either one. To change the style of sound, so more bass, less bass, that kind of a thing. On the left, 2 taps. To skip a song, on the right, you hold for 1.5 seconds. To turn on gaming mode, 3 taps in succession on the left. To turn off, 10-second hold on either. To use the microphone, 3 taps on the right. We have a bunch of other standard stuff in here to determine if it's charged, when it's charging, what it looks like, that kind of a thing. Let's open these up. Here is the capsule itself. It looks very high end. It's got a little metal plaque right in the center. I like the soft matte plastic. Opening them up, you can see it's already got charged. The little green light has come on, and they do magnetize in. So I've taken the little plastic tab off the end that separated it from the docking station, the capsule. I popped them in. I like the way that it fits into the ear and it sits against your ear rather than sticking out. I don't feel like it's going to do any falling or dropping out of my ear anytime soon. It does feel snug in there. Let's pair it. You can see it's come up down the bottom here and it's just told me it's connected. We will test the music. Now, the last time I've done this, I got a copyright strike, so I may overlay other audio or shorten some clips so we can see the quality together. The bass is very good. I am surprised. That is some deep bass. The only thing is I don't feel like it's very loud. They feel very comfortable in the ear. I'm really surprised at that quality. It doesn't sound tinny at all. I just turned it on to game mode. Whoops. It's quite snug in the ear. I don't feel like there's anything that's irritating. It's very sensitive, the controls. You know, I am pleasantly surprised. I don't know what I was expecting, but I think we have some contenders here. And I have actually looked at a few earbuds over the last couple of years, and these are definitely a contender. We are getting close to Christmas season. These would make an ideal Christmas gift. Now, they are on special on their website already. I believe there is a 25% discount. It is inexpensive, around $90. Very good quality. Does it compare with higher end, say a Bose or any of those top quality ones? I think it's comparable. But for the price point, the quality is pretty good. I will link it all down below. If you do check it out for yourself, let me know your experience. Is it the same or vastly different? I'm always interested to know. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure we do all the fun stuff, and most importantly, stay tuned.